What's up, gig workers? Welcome to the channel and welcome to the freezer box. You guys want to know what's the temperature like today? Wow, freezing. Minus 21 Celsius, and with the wind chill is minus 31 Celsius. Freezing. Don't let the sunshine deceive you. It looked nice and sunny, but it's not. I mean, it's not warm. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and Doordash from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. So come along for the ride and stick around to the end if you want to watch the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. Oh, that's it. Let's go make some money. The time is 10:59. Uber online. Looking for order. $3.90. No thank you. Damn it. If the customer didn't tip, what's happened? Is that worth my time? $3.90 Uber? Put the base pay it. Put the base pay. Base pay. So if the customer didn't tip, we still at least make something. Still worth our time. I'm gonna play the guessing game or a gambling game. So nobody's gonna accept those $3 and $2. So this one is from Uber again. $4.38, 3.1 kilometers. And it's a Popeyes order. I'll accept this one. Yeah, this customer is 4 minutes away, 2.9 kilometers. $4.39. I have one for DoorDash, $8.50 for 8.3 kilometers. Just $1 per kilometers. So I'm a chicken chef to pick up this order. You have to come through the drive-thru. Can't go inside. This is Uber, $5.52, 4.3 kilometers, and it's a McDonald's order. There's a long line in the drive-thru there. $5.50, 4.5 kilometers. No tips, no trips. Yeah, I dropped off that order from McDonald's. I have another one from Uber Eats, $5.42, 4.4 kilometers. Whew, I kind of ran a bit. Out of breath, I'm not in shape. COVID-19 put me out of shape. So this restaurant is Green and Grain, and it's 6 minutes away, 3.1 kilometers. This customer is 2 minutes away, 1.2 kilometers. This one is from DoorDash, $9.50, 4.2 kilometers. Accept. So I pick up this mocha drink or whatever, but it's really, the tray doesn't hold it properly. Shaky. Look at that one, 15 kilometers, $7.50. No thank you. It's ridiculous. Okay. What's wrong with these people? 19 kilometers for $10.50. Wow. To drive to the customer home, 25 minutes. That's it. I could never be a top dasher. Top dasher, you have to accept all these garbage. For 2 hours, I'm at $19.14 with Uber. And $18 with DoorDash. Take out your calculator and add it up. $37. This is Uber, $5.46, 4.3 kilometers. Tim Hortons. So I grabbed that food from Tim Hortons. This customer is 3 minutes away, 2.2 kilometers. I still have DoorDash running at the background. Normally I just paused it, but then it's so slow I just keep it running. $5.47. So this is Uber, $5.18, 3.7 kilometers, and it's a McDonald's order. This McDonald's is inside Walmart to do a bit of walk-in. Grab that food from McDonald's. Let's see how far this customer is. 4 minutes and 2 kilometers. Hey guys, this is Uber Eats, $8, 6.6 kilometers. Grab that Tim's, give a thumbs up. They're really fast as usual. Thumbs up for you guys. This customer is 8 minutes away, 5 kilometers. It's my favorite Tim Hortons. It's always fast, always on time. Very friendly service. Arrive at the customer address, apartment building. It says leave at the door. Leave a buzzer code. There's no buzzer code. Just put the apartment number, no buzzer code. I might have to call him. So I delivered the order, and whilst I was at the customer door, Uber sent me another order. $5.01 for 4.3 kilometers. This is a new restaurant, just opened maybe 2 days ago. Swipe to collect. Customer is 2 minutes away, 0.8 kilometers. Illegal parking. Hey guys, it's 3:07. So that's it for my shift. I work with Uber Eats and DoorDash 4 hours. So I want to thank you guys for watching if you made it this far, and stick around for the summary. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is the summary. I'll start with DoorDash. I had 2 delivery with DoorDash only. The first one is $8.50. Base pay was $5.50. Customer tip $3. And the second one was $9.50. Base pay $5.50. Customer tip $4. So DoorDash was $18. Uber Eats, I had 6 delivery. $8.20. Customer tip $3.81. $9.55. Customer tip $4.03. $9.43. Customer tip $4.01. And this one is $7.47. Customer tip $2. $5.18. This customer didn't tip. Big fat 0. This is a big one. $15.94. Customer tip $7.93. This is a Tim Hortons order. I mean, Tim Hortons, lots of coffee, donuts, muffins. Was a big order anyway, so the tip, a big tip too, right? The total between Uber Eats and DoorDash is $82.45 minus $4 for gas equals $78.45. divided by 4 hours gave us $19.61 per hour. Awesome. Nice wage, nice wage. $19? I'll take that. Take it to the bank. Multi-apping does help a lot, and your odds are better of making $18 to $20 an hour. I'm happy with $19 an hour. I'm happy with 18. I'm not a big spender, right? So I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to help grow the channel so I can make more videos. And stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.